we're going to explain how to fix the Xcode couldn't find any provisioning profiles matching error. This frustrating error pops up when Xcode can't find the correct code signing certificate to build and run your app. It's usually caused by mismatched settings or problems with your Apple developer account. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps. 1. Check your Apple developer account. First, log into your Apple developer account on the website, developer.apple.com. Make sure your membership is active and up to date. If your membership has expired, renew it. This is the most common cause. An expired or invalid account means no provisioning profiles are generated. 2. Verify your Xcode version. Ensure that your Xcode version is compatible with your current iOS deployment target. Older Xcode versions might not support newer iOS versions, leading to profile conflicts. Check for Xcode updates in the App Store. 3. Double-check your team. In Xcode, go to your project settings, usually found by selecting your project in the Project Navigator, then selecting the target. Under the Signing and Capabilities tab, verify that you've selected the correct development team from the drop-down menu. It needs to match the team associated with your Apple developer account. If you're part of multiple teams, make sure you select the correct one. 4. Delete and regenerate provisioning profiles. In your Xcode project settings under Signing and Capabilities, you might see existing provisioning profiles. Click on the profile name, then click Download Profile. Then, delete them from Xcode by clicking the trash can icon beside each profile. Then completely quit Xcode. Xcode automatically downloads any missing profiles and may ask you for the required credentials. After this, restart Xcode and rebuild your project. 5. Revoke and recreate certificates. Advanced step. If the above steps don't work, try revoking and recreating your certificates. In your Apple developer account, navigate to Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles. Revoke any old or unused certificates and then create new ones. Make sure that any needed certificates, development distribution, are created and available for download. Download them and add them to Xcode's keychain access. Once done, delete and regenerate provisioning profiles as mentioned in Step 4. 6. Clean your project. Within Xcode, go to Product, Clean Build folder. This removes any cached build files that might be causing conflicts. 7. Restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve odd software glitches. Give it a try. 8. Check for conflicting profiles. If you are using multiple provisioning profiles, perhaps one for development and one for distribution, make sure you are using the correct one for your build configuration, debug, or release. 9. Check your bundle identifier. Ensure your project's bundle identifier, found in your project settings, exactly matches the identifiers you've registered in your Apple developer account. Even a small typo can cause this issue. 10. Check for Xcode errors in the console. Use the console application, found in Utilities, to search for Xcode-related errors. These logs might give you more specific clues about the problem. If all else fails, search for your specific error message online. There are many helpful forums and communities dedicated to resolving Xcode issues. Remember to always back up your project before making significant